To me.
Oh, wow, you can jump.
No, that's a really big one. Oh my goodness, you're doing some good climbing. Okay, this is a big one. No, it's a big one. Look.
Big one.
2 feet. Whoa, good. Can you climb this one?
Oh, that's high.
Okay, try it. You can do it.
Try to climb it.
Lightning.
You want to hold your money?
Here, we'll hold it and you use 2 hands to climb it. You can do it with your feet. Move your hands. Move your hands.
Good job. Go, Maxie.
Oh,
You did it. You did it. You did it.
You're getting tall.
Oh, that's a tall one.
Okay. I think we need 2 hands maybe.
Yeah, because that's really high.
Wow, good job.
No, not that way.